Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be all about the Ninja food processor. I will be unboxing and reviewing this product. I will be making a dragon fruit smoothie and also some mango chutney, so please stay tuned for that. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, I paid $29.99 for this food processor from Amazon. I have left the link in the description below for you guys to check out later if you would like to purchase your own. So this product is always out of stock on Amazon, so what I had to do is purchase it, which automatically put me into a queue for when it became available, and once it was available it was sent out to me. And now that I finally have my hands on one of these machines, let's see if it's as good as people say it is. So it looks like it comes with 2 storage bowls, which is handy for when I would like to make 2 things and store them in the fridge. I guess this means I won't have to wash any additional bowls. Okay, so moving on to the other side of this box, we can see that this processor has 3 features. Firstly, we have a chopping feature for salads and vegetables. It comes with a mincing option, which will be good for garlic and herbs, and also we have a puree option, which will be great for making smoothies or sauces. Right, so this product has an easy to use power pod. It has a one-touch pulse technology. It comes with 2 splash guards, which can also be used as lids when stored in the fridge. And the best thing about this product, and the reason I bought this, is because of the Ninja blade technology it comes with, which I can imagine being very sharp and precise. So it all sounds good so far. Let's see what's in the inside of this box. So firstly we have the power pod with the cord attached to it, so I guess the bowls will be easy to wash as they are separate from the power pod. So here we have the 2 bowls that we are going to use to process the food in, and they can also be used as storage bowls as mentioned earlier. So here is the star of the show. We have the famous Ninja blade itself. It looks like there are 2 tiers of Ninja blades, which explains the pulse technique, and I believe the finer you want your food, the more you pulse it. So that is everything that comes inside this box. I'm going to give it a good wash before I start to make my food. So just like every other kitchen appliance, we have some standard leaflets which come with all the safety precautions, seeing as we will be handling a very sharp blade. We have a user manual which explains all of the parts of this product and gives us some useful information about how this product is used best. This leaflet explains how to put this product together, and it also includes some tips and recipes for you to follow. And most importantly, some safety guidelines, so I suggest you read through this booklet before you start using your processor. So the blade screws into the bottom of the bowl quite easily, just like you can see here. So we have some measurements up the side, so an additional measuring jug will not be required. So it's time to put this machine to a test. Let's get on with it. So firstly, I'm going to make some mango salsa. So I used the recipe that was in the booklet, but of course I added some extra things. All of the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. So the first thing I did was very roughly chop up some vegetables. Now that I have roughly chopped the vegetables, I have put some sumac in, some salt and some whole coriander seeds. I am now going to squeeze in half a juice of lemon and add some olive oil. So all of my ingredients are now in the bowl, so I'm going to plug in the power pod and stick it on top of the bowl. So before attaching the power pod, you need to make sure you put the splash guard on there and leave the hatch open. And I left this part of the video in on purpose. I didn't hold on tight enough to the top of the lid, so ensure that you've got a tight grip on top of the power pod. So I'm now going to give it small pulses until I've got my desired consistency. So I wanted my mango chutney slash salsa to be quite thin, so I carried on pulsing until it was like a thin sauce. If you would like to make a thicker sauce, of course just stop pulsing when you see that your sauce is thick enough. And in under 30 seconds this sauce is ready to eat. So my mango chutney is ready. I've used the same lid, I've closed the hatch and I've stored it into the fridge. And when you're ready to eat it, you can just serve it straight from the bowl, or you can pour it into a different dish if you like. And there we have it, my delicious mango chutney is ready. So moving on to my second recipe, I'm now going to make a dragon fruit and mango smoothie. The first thing I did was peel the dragon fruit and the mango. If only you could have seen my face when I realised the inside of this dragon fruit was purple. So I have bought many dragon fruits just to find a purple one, but they've always turned out white from the inside. So I was very pleased to find a purple dragon fruit, which means I didn't have to use the purple food colouring. Now this was the most satisfying part of today, peeling this dragon fruit and finding out it was purple from the inside. Okay, now that I'm over that, I'm just going to roughly cut into the dragon fruit. I'm going to do the same with the mango after I've peeled it. So I have added a couple of leaves of mint. So I'm now just going to put the lid on, leave the hatch open, and I'm ready to use the food processor again. And again, the thinner I wanted it, the more I'd pulse it. So you can just pour it into a glass and drink it, but I'm just going to pour it into a mocktail shaker. I've added some ice, I've added some mint. That was not blood on my hand, it's just a bit of dragon fruit, so don't worry, I've not cut myself. And there we have it guys, the second recipe in the food processor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys, till next time.